The number one thing that holds entrepreneurs back that they don't even realize is goal setting. And the three common mistakes that entrepreneurs do when they're setting goals is the following. First one is they set goals that they're comfortable in. They avoid things that they're not comfortable and that are risky and they're unsure of. So they actually don't move their company drastically because they're just doing what's comfortable. Second thing is they know the end goal, but they don't know exactly how to get there. What are those steps? How long it takes them? So they spend hours and time on going the wrong path. Or they might even just not do the task at all, and because they're not sure where to even start, so they procrastinate. And lastly, they end up not even knowing the goals that are actually to move their company forward. Can't even identify what to do, so they actually become reactive instead of proactive and really looking at what are the goals that are going to move my business forward. So you want to avoid this issue and really move your business forward? Join a peer group and make sure they're very different from your industry and your skill set, because then you're going to leverage their strengths and then they're going to be able to identify blind spots so you can fast track your business and set goals that are actually going to move your business forward.